Melissa, that's right. The town of Bloomsburg is prepared for this system that's coming through. The Public Works Department has a plan, and they're ready to execute that plan once the first flakes start falling on the ground this weekend. Inside the garage at the Bloomsburg Public Works Department, the plow trucks are washed and all the equipment has been tested as the impending winter storm is set to make its entrance this weekend. Brady Brink, the director of Public Works, says they have the fleet prepared and the salt loaded. He says they will be pre-treating all the hills in town to prepare for the snow accumulation.
Along with myself and the police, we monitor this live, so we wait for a certain amount of accumulation and then we'll bring the crew in and we'll start going until all the snow's gone.
Brink says the town has a lot of streets that are one way with parking on both sides. He says it is a challenge to try to separate the snow on each side and evenly distribute it.
Depending on when we get the snow, we will be working with the police and parking. We will post lots for no parking and then we can get in there and clear those out.
Bloomsburg Public Works has a whole fleet of trucks and other equipment to help them clear the snow. They have a lot of salt and also more that will be delivered on Monday.
We have several plow trucks. We have some T-tags, some bigger dump trucks, and then we also have a large snow blower that we use to remove accumulations from parking lots and then Main Street parking areas.
With the impending storm showing high accumulation totals, Brink says they focus on keeping the police department and emergency services clear. He says they also want to keep the main arterial roads and hills cleared. Brink has this message for Bloomsburg residents this weekend.
I would say if you can stay home, stay home. That way it gives us more chance to get everything cleared up and less traffic on the roads till we can, make everything safe.
Now, Brink says with accumulations like this, if it should happen, that it's going to take the Public Works Department about 20 hours or even longer to clear that snow up. Melissa, right now, it's just a wait-and-see game. Live in Bloomsburg, Columbia County, Justin Geck, Newswatch 16.